Hey everyone, we've got a little bit of a challenge ahead of us for this problem. We've got to find the nth degree polynomial with real coefficients satisfying the conditions n is equal to 3, 1 and 5i are zeros, and f of negative 1 is equal to negative 104. If 1 and 5i are zeros, here's the important thing, what we're always going to be looking for with these problems. 5i means that negative 5i is as well. Complex roots are pairs. Roots come in pairs. Complex conjugate pairs. So it's plus or minus 5i. So that means what we have ahead of us is x minus our first root times x minus our second root minus 5i times x minus this third root, right? This minus 5i gives us that polynomial that satisfies that. And there might be something out in front of it. So let's multiply this. Now this is right here a conjugate pair, a complex conjugate pair, and I'm pretty sure we know how to multiply those. We get x squared, so we'll have x minus 1 times, let's see here, x squared minus 5i squared, so that's minus a negative 25. So I think, and we've got that constant out in front, we're going to have a constant times x minus 1 times x squared plus 25. Okay, now let's multiply this out. It's going to be a constant times x cubed plus 25x minus x squared minus 25. Alright, and we got to figure out what that constant is. And to do that, we're going to use our condition. So our constant out in front times our polynomial evaluated at, what's our special value here? Whoops. Evaluated at negative 1, it has to be equal to a negative 104. So I'm going to take a negative 1 cubed. Let's write that so we can actually see it. Negative 1 cubed minus negative 1 squared plus 25 times negative 1 minus 25 has to be equal to negative 104. So let's see here, this is that constant times a negative 1 minus 1 minus 25 minus 25 is equal to negative 104. I get negative 52. A times a negative 52 is equal to negative 104. Oh, this constant is 2. So suddenly this 104 doesn't seem so crazy. So what's our polynomial? F of x is going to be equal to 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 50x minus 50. Went ahead and multiplied everything here times 2. And we got our solution. Great. Good job solving that puzzle. We'll see you next time.